MiniPress.ru was founded over 20 years ago by leading experts in the pharmaceutical industry. We supply over 1,000 models of various pharmaceutical equipment, extensive catalog with detailed technical specifications, direct, well-established relationships with colleagues in China, India, and Taiwan. Friendly online support. Our engineers' experience allows us to precisely select equipment that meets GMP standards and meets any complexity. We personally inspect partner factories and test equipment before delivery. Our specialists provide full support, from assistance in selecting a specific model to consultations on commissioning and maintenance.
We're proud to offer professional advice on choosing any pharmaceutical equipment. Our exhaustive catalog comprises equipment produced by Chinese, Indian, Korean, and Thai manufacturers. We are ready to seek for you used pharmaceutical equipment made by Russian and European manufacturers. We assist in choosing and delivery of pharmaceutical equipment to Russia. Our industry experience and knowledge are vast and valuable. Our catalogs help to choose the best alternatives due to many videos, photos, and detailed descriptions. We're able both to make sets of equipment and to deliver separate units according to samples. You will also enjoy the whole range of related goods, packing, raw materials, and consumables. Roman Cebulski will answer all of your questions. Moscow phone +7 495 364 3808. Minsk phone +375 29 308 0000.
We supply over 1,000 models of various pharmaceutical equipment, extensive catalog with detailed technical specifications, direct, well-established relationships with colleagues in China, India, and Taiwan.
MiniPress.ru